Hello, my name is Samir Gupta. I am currently a senior in mechanical engineering at Lamar University. I plan to graduate in May 2020 with my bachelor's. I currently have a 3.11 GPA with a major GPA of 3.04. My work experience started in the summer of 2017 when I worked at my college bookstore. I worked there for about a year, and then in the summer of 2018, I started to do some research with spherical robots and some of the dynamic movements involved with it. I did that for about a year. Then in the summer of 2019, I decided to branch out my research and do some research regarding wetting phenomena on solid surfaces. What my research entailed was analyzing the geometric effects that liquid droplets have when they make contact with solid surfaces. I'm currently doing the research now as of late November 2019, and the research has interested me into thinking that I could possibly do that once I graduate with my bachelor's. Some of my current activities right now include me being the president for the American Society of Mechanical Engineers. I had assumed that position in April of 2019. Prior to that, I served 1 year as the vice president for the organization. As the vice president, my duties mainly involved assisting the president in whatever duties that were necessary. I also helped run a Lamar Intro to Engineering, otherwise known as Light Camp, for middle schoolers to get them involved in engineering. I'd also helped initiate a project group onto our organization to help help other students get involved with projects for ASME. As the chair for ASME, or the president, I have been involved in a number of different things. I helped start a resume critique for our organization right before our school's career fair. I had a mock interview session for students to get some interview experience before they go out and do actual interviews. I was able to contact some engineers around the area who would be willing to participate and help with this event, so that then students can be involved in talking to an actual engineer prior to an interview and get interview experience. I also helped initiate workshops onto the organization. These workshops are generated to help other students learn technical skills such as CAD, or to learn how to do certain things that are in the field with with people who have interned there, and people who can help them actually understand some of the stuff that happens when they work after they graduate. I started out my engineering when I was first involved with FIRST Robotics starting in my junior year of high school. I initially became the safety captain of the team, which involved making sure all the other students on our team were safe, and I documented any safety hazards that may have gone on and also implemented new safety rules onto the team. When my senior year became, I became the secretary for the team, which involved documenting our team meetings and also helping lead team meetings whenever we met up. First robotics was very important to me because it helped me decide that I want to be a mechanical engineer when I go to college and when I graduate, and what I want to do for my career. Some of my skills that I have right now are that I am very good with Microsoft Word. I've used it for many years and have improved my skills on it to become very proficient with Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and OneNote. I am also very good with doing some CAD, such as Autodesk Inventor, AutoCAD, Fusion 360. In fact, some of my Fusion 360 skills have been put into effect when working on school projects. One of the projects I have worked on is a toggle clamp assembly. I helped design a rod onto Fusion 360, which we implemented onto the toggle clamp. I also ran finite element analysis on the toggle clamp, which helped lead to certain results that we had to look for, including the load when we applied a load on different parts of the toggle clamp and the amount of stress that we get at certain points of the toggle clamp. I also have completed a couple aerial robotics courses, robotics course number 1 and 2 at University of Pennsylvania online via Coursera, and I feel like these skills have helped me overall with some of my robotics skills, such as programming. Some of the scholarships I've won is a leadership scholarship that I won after I graduated high school. I also won a Valero Engineering Scholarship just recently for my 2 senior semesters at Lamar University. I hope that some of my skills and some of the experience I have listed will help you choose me for a qualifying candidate. Thank you for listening. I hope you have a good day.